if you see the definition of that one, it has some many components in it. It say that non-trivial process. Non-trivial means not like easy process. It has some steps over there, and identifying the valid, novel means new, and potentially useful, and ultimately understandable pattern. So what is data mining? Data mining means to find out some patterns which are new, which are useful, which are understandable, and novel as well. So in the data store in the structured databases, so whatever you store in a databases SQL over there, you have to you when you find the patterns in it, we call as a data mining in it. So data mining is like about the store data you have it, okay, and that store data, the store data, when you find out you have like data for 2 years or 3 years or 10 years, and you want to find some pattern in it, that is called the data mining over there. It's a new science in a databases which helps you to find some good patterns in it. Keyword, what are the keywords in this one are processes. What are the processes in it? Okay, uh, like for the non-trivial is a keyword. Valid means which you can execute it. Novel, new, and potential, useful, and understandable. These are the different keywords in it. Data mining, a misnomer. Misnomer means a new thing. Before it was new, but now people know about it, and it's not like a misnomer over there. Because previously there were some other names for data mining, like knowledge extraction, how to extract the knowledge from the data and information over there. Another name was pattern analysis. You see the patterns and in your data, you see, okay, this is a pattern high and this one low and high. And so just like in the stock exchange Dowell, you see the patterns like this product is high in this month, and this then low in the next month, and high in the next month. So you see the different patterns over there. Like you can see the patterns of devices like washing machine or like fridge, air condition. So in summer the pattern is high. In winter the pattern is low over there, and then in summer. So every 6 months there is a spikes in it. So the spike means it's summer. Okay? So you can find easily the pattern in it. So nowadays, you might have seen in the market, some products are like highly solvable. The pattern is changing over there. So pattern analysis means you can find the pattern. So what is the benefit of the pattern? The pattern benefit is that you know that what can I order, what product should I ask more for selling over there. So if you are in a warehouse, or you are in a some like super mall or in somewhere, so you can analyze the pattern of your previous year or 2 years or 3 years, and accordingly you can decide your supply chain, and you can decide about the customer as well. And this is also called other names are also called knowledge discovery, to discover the hidden knowledge or tacit knowledge. We call it tacit, hidden, latent. There are a few words that are used for it. So latent knowledge, tacit knowledge, hidden knowledge, these are the specific words which we can use it. I would like to write for you, which is called tacit. So tacit means makhfi, okay, tacit knowledge, hidden knowledge, okay, or we call it latent, okay. These are the different words which is used for it, knowledge discovery over there. And then we have like information harvesting. Information harvesting is also another word. And information harvesting means you cut, just like you cut your crops, okay, that's called harvesting. But here you don't cut the crops, you cut the information, okay, how to get the information from the raw data. Another word is called pattern searching over there, and data dredging over there. So these are the different names for it. So data mining is not a new thing. It was used in the different patterns in these names over there.